If you want to have more control over what you or your students learn, which characters they learn, there is this Tofu Learn. And I would recommend that you think about it more as as a platform than an app, because it's a bit less intuitive. You need to look into it more to understand how it works, but it can be worth it. So let me just show you how it works. First, we select a word list. You can see that there are more languages to choose from. You get these lists of different characters and words based on HSK levels or learning books, and anyone can create their own word list that they can make public for other people to access. So let's pick this integrated Chinese, and when there is this W, it means that it's focused on writing. We can play with the settings here more, like we can click on each lesson, see which words there are, and we can select some of them and say that we want to ignore these or that we want to auto learn these. We can go to this learn new.
你
You see a stroke order. We can type it once more. This lookup here is quite interesting because it opens up a dedicated page for this character, dedicated page from Tofu Learn Dictionary, which unfortunately isn't a part of this app in the way that we could actually look for words as in a dictionary. It only works in the way that it opens these dedicated pages with this profound analysis of components, part of which characters it is, part of which words it is, and stuff like that. There are useful example sentences with pretty good audio. So that's a very nice feature. So let's say that we got it.
请
The same for Qing.
请
And now we are supposed to write it with the correct stroke order.
请你
Now we are supposed to write it even without the, how we call it, the pattern. Okay, so I still remember this character. Nice. Perfect. So that's how writing here works. We can go back to word list, and there is integrated Chinese reading. So someone made this word list with the focus on reading skills. And the way it works is that you see a character, you flip it,
两
and you just say that it was easy. Fine. The thing is that you can create your own word list in a desktop version. You can even download your existing Anki word list if you are using Anki Droid or something like that. One more thing I want to show you is that you can go to settings and you can select how many words per session you want to learn, when you want to be reminded of your daily goals and stuff like that. So it's got this gamified or challenging feature that some people like. So it gives you quite a lot of options to play with, but for some people it can be overwhelming. So it is up to you to decide if this complex approach is something that you dig. So that's Tofu Learn.